Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how to run a Mann Whitney U test. So here's the data that he's talking about in his book. And if we go up here to analyze, we're going to go all the way down to non-parametric test. So you'll notice it doesn't say Mann Whitney U. You have to know that you've got two groups, and those two groups are independent groups because he's either using ecstasy or he's using alcohol. So we're going to go here to independent samples. And the test fields, if they are not located here, you'll just have to move them over. Notice that the groups is designated by the type of drug. And I'm just going to click Run. All right, so the output that is given here is showing that there is not a significant difference, because when we look at significant differences, we want less than 0.05. So here we're looking and there's not a significant difference in the type of drug on the depression score. Okay, and it actually tells you retain the null hypothesis. And that, I believe, is the Monday. And then the second one, it is a significant difference in the type of treatment on depression scores. So a couple of things to remember here. In the book, it actually tells you to double click on this area here. So if you're using SPSS 26, it's changed, and so it actually generates the graphs below. But if you're using an earlier version of SPSS, you want to double click on that. I'm going to scroll down because I've got SPSS 26. So I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm just going to show you what it's doing when you run a Mann Whitney U. It's comparing a rank of 11.95 to a rank of 9.05. So this first hypothesis up here, 0.280, is telling us there's not a significant difference of the rankings between 11.95 and 9.05. In other words, based on the rankings of depression, there's not a difference whether the person used ecstasy or whether the person used alcohol. That was Sunday. However, when we come down here and we look at Wednesday, okay, we said there is a significant difference, and it's telling us that there's a significant difference of 15.1 rank to a 5.90 when it comes to depression. So on Wednesday, there was a difference between whether the person consumed ecstasy or whether they consumed alcohol on the effect of depression.